It's math workshops, and I do math workshops every day with my class, but this is an extra special time where parents come in, so it enriches what we already do.
We rounded, we did multiplication, we counted money, and we did area and perimeter.
She does these math workshops probably about once a month. Each station is a math concept, and it's so nice to see the kids working in that environment and working with other children and problem solving and working together, and I can see it brings such enjoyment to them and then the parents as well.
I like them because they're like games, but they're also like math games, so like we all get to have fun while we're doing them.
I love math.
Yes,
I love math.
I like math. It's my favorite subject.
If it's a station that I think, oh, this could use more than one, more than one helper, I'll put 2 parents at it. Or maybe it's one where it's a new concept and I just think that extra support there.
I'm terrible at rounding. I'm just gonna say that, I'm terrible at rounding. Miss Alice, she was at that station and she kind of helped me understand how to round from tens to hundreds and stuff.
It just flows beautifully, and it really it does well with what we're already doing with math workshops.
Get a lot done in an hour and a half time. I always panic a little bit, like, what are we doing, long division? Because I don't remember how to do that. But they're quick to show me how to do it if I don't know it. So it's a lot of fun.
This is my 17th year, and I have been doing math workshops all 17 years. I've never once regretted doing it. It's well worth the extra time, and it's well worth what I see going on in my classroom with learning and excitement, and like I said, the parent involvement is wonderful.